In 1976, radio operators across the world heard a sound they couldn't explain. A rapid, mechanical clicking like a woodpecker hammering from space. It hijacked signals, disrupted broadcast, and no one knew why. Eventually, the source was traced. Deep in the Soviet wilderness stood a massive steel monster, the Duga radar. 150 meters tall, a secret Cold War experiment. Whispers began to spread. Was the clicking more than just radar? Was it a mind control signal? A weapon to brainwash the West or silence Soviet dissent? Military analysts scrambled. Engineers built jammers. Conspiracy theorists called it a psychotronic weapon. But the Soviets said nothing. Then, in 1989, the Soviet Union began to collapse, and the signal vanished, just like that gone. As if it had served its purpose. Was it just an over-the-horizon radar? Or something darker? A failed Soviet experiment? Or a weapon that worked, and we just didn't notice? The woodpecker may be gone, but what if it's still listening?